What is up, Facebook, YouTube? Anthony here. Saturday afternoon. I'm here on my second stop of the day. I'm over here in Concord, North Carolina to do a restretch in multiple areas. There goes the Good House Mobile. I was referred to this job by my good buddy Todd from Big Time Carpet Cleaning. I happened to roll up and he's still here cleaning. So let me take you guys inside, show you what I'm up against. Alrighty, Facebook, YouTube, here's what I'm up against. Look at this, multiple areas, multiple wrinkles. Well, don't you worry. I will make it look like it never even happened. Stay tuned, I'll show you some after results. And then I got this little room here. Alrighty, stay tuned. Alright, Facebook, YouTube, look at these results. Like it never even happened. Look at this. It's flat. Look at this. Alright, once again, as always, thanks for watching.